What's going on, Salish? What's going on? Man, I am honored to be here, man. It's an honor. And, before I start, I just want to say, y'all, give yourself a round of applause, man. Come on. Yeah. Right? I want you also to give a round of applause for your administrators, your teachers. Come on, can we clap it up for them? Come on. Yep. All right. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? All right, let's get to it. So I want to go here, right? Because although this is a Martin Luther King assembly, I also want you to understand that this is about you. This is about your dream. This is about your legacy, right? And so one of the things that I want you guys to understand is that before I had a dream, I had a nightmare. Before I had a dream, I had a nightmare, right? And the nightmare looks like this, right? March 25th, 1991, Rhode Island Hospital. My mom was rushed to the emergency room to perform a C-section, y'all. And the doctors told my mom, they said, Miss Miles, don't push. Miss Miles, don't push. Because if you push, there's a chance that your son's not going to be born tonight. And I remember my mom was telling me, she was like, baby, you don't understand the pain that I went through. Baby, you don't understand the adversity that I went through. But nonetheless, when the doctor told me not to push, I didn't push. And the reason why in the womb I was battling with that is because the umbilical cord was wrapped around my neck and it was stopping my oxygen flow. And I'll never forget, my mom told me that the doctor said, Miss Miles, now you have the opportunity to get the child out. And when they got the child out, I promise you, this is how my mom sounds. She's from Zebulon, North Carolina. She said, baby, I ain't gonna hold you, baby. But when that doctor holds you up, he gave you one smack on the behind. Boom. You didn't say nothing. She said, she smacked you again on the butt. Boom. You didn't say nothing. But William, that third smack, boom, you yelled, ah! You woke up, and you was here. And she said, my baby is here. And what I want you guys to understand is that before you can have the dream, you must learn how to walk through the nightmare.